Hello, it's your girl Isha, and I am back with another video. Again, today I am so what? I'm supposed to have got the spicy nacho, and it was supposed to have like extra nacho cheese sauce on there, but of course, somebody did not have it. And then it comes with, let me open it up real quick. This, I'm just going to take half of it real quick and show you. And that is cheese in there, pepper jack cheese, onions, banana peppers, sriracha sauce, and ranch. So let's get into it. The rotisserie style chicken definitely has flavor. It's really good and seasoned. I love the Italian herbs and cheese, the breading, and the toppings. Of course, it's not overpowering the flavor of the chicken. It tastes a little savory to me, so overall, I give it an 8.5. Now you can drop a comment down below, like, share, subscribe, and let me know what you would like me to eat next.